Matchbox Subaru SVX. The Matchbox Subaru SVX was released in 2022. Let's open the card. The color of the car is metal flake black, and it has gold split 10-spoke wheels. On the back, it has Subaru SVX badge and taillights. Dark smoke window tint. Black plastic base. Matchbox Volkswagen ID4. The Matchbox Volkswagen ID4 was released in 2025. Let's open the card. The color of the car is metal flake green, and it has split 10-spoke wheels. On the front, it has Volkswagen badge and detailed headlights. On the side, it has silver roof arch. On the back, it has silver trim and detailed taillights. Dark smoke window tint. Gray plastic base. Matchbox 2022 Jeep Wagoneer. The Matchbox 2022 Jeep Wagoneer was released in 2024. Let's open the card. The color of the car is metal flake velvet red, and it has chrome 6-spoke utility wheels. On the front, it has detailed front grille and detailed headlights. On the back, it has Wagoneer and detailed taillights. Clear window tint. Black plastic base. Matchbox 2022 Opel Astra. The Matchbox 2022 Opel Astra was released in 2024.
Let's open the card.
The color of the car is metal flake yellow, and it has 6-spoke sport wheels. On the front it has Opel logo, license plate, and detailed headlights. On the back it has license plate, Opel, and Astra logo, and detailed taillights. Darkest smoke window tint. Black plastic base.